Welcome to my glute building mini course. My name is Michelangelo Girardi. I'm the owner of Girardi Performance, and in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to grow your glutes. Before we get started, though, here's why you should listen to me. I've been personal training in person and online for 4 years. I have a bachelor's in kinesiology degree. I'm a pain-free performance specialist, and I'm a current doctor of physical therapy student. This is what I do. I own a fitness business. I have a little bit of knowledge behind what I'm about to tell you. Here's a very brief anatomy overview. You have your glute maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. So when you say glutes, you're really talking about these three muscles here. Glute max is on top, medius in the middle, minimus is the most deep glute muscle that you have. Here are the primary functions of the glutes. So here on this first one is hip extension, which is moving your leg behind you. Here is hip abduction, moving your leg away from you. And here is hip external rotation, which is like squashing a bug with your feet. Each of these are the functions of the glutes, and they all work together to provide this movement. Now, let's apply what I just told you into workout terms. So let's put those puzzle pieces together. So when we talk about hip extension, we're talking about a squat variation, talking about donkey kicks, hip thrusts. For hip abduction, we're talking about fire hydrants, crab walks, clamshells. And hip external rotation are the same exercises as abduction. Now, how do you program this? How do you put this into a workout program? I use the rule of thirds. So for example, let's say you perform 9 total exercises per week for your glutes. 1/3 or 3 of those exercises need to be a squat pattern, so barbell squat, dumbbell squat. 1/3 needs to be a hinge pattern, so hip thrust, RDL. 1/3 or 3 more need to be an abduction pattern, clamshells, lateral band walks. Now, how frequently should you train your glutes? Research shows that no matter what muscle you train, to most optimally grow them and increase hypertrophy, you want to hit them 2 times per week. Now, with the glutes, my clients and myself find the best with 3 times per week. And this is only because I train and program in a way that creates this to be optimized. I'm not saying you have to do 3 times a week, but minimum, you want to hit those glutes 2 times per week, 3 if you can. Do not neglect the importance of your diet. Diet's going to be 70% of your success here. If you're not eating enough protein, not eating enough calories overall, you're going to see very minimal growth. Here's a little bit of a bonus for you guys. So I hear a lot of people say, how do I target my glutes? Or I can't target my glutes without having my quads burn, or I'm very quad dominant, I feel it in my thighs. Screenshot this. This is the exercises on the left side to do that will be just glutes. You'll only feel it in your glute. And on the right side, if you're very quad dominant, then you probably want to avoid some of these if you're not trying to grow your glutes. But that's not to say back squats, front squats, etc. won't grow your glutes, but they are a quad dominant exercise. Now, thanks for sticking around. I have a special offer for you guys. Trust me, you're going to want to hear this. So I have an 8-week booty boot camp program, super affordable. And on top of that, I'm giving you guys 50% off just for watching this video. So not only am I providing you value throughout the video, but now I'm going to give you the step-by-step workout program and nutrition plan that when clients come to me and want to grow their glutes, this is what I give to them. So go to my website that you see linked here, copy and paste it into URL, hit add to cart, and just put in the coupon code GLUTES at the checkout, and it'll take 50% off the price for you. This is less than a cup of coffee per week to grow the booty that you've always wanted. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me over a DM on Instagram. Let me know that you're coming from this, and I'll be able to answer your questions and help you out further if you need further explanation. I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope this was helpful.